That's with the gain down, gain back up. So we can turn the gain up on this channel. That's quite a bit gainier. Channel, gain on the back, off again, and I'll switch over to the M channel. As you can hear, it's a much thinner, more scooped kind of a sound. We can accentuate it by controls. Scoop it. So the M channel is good for all those thin kind of sounds. Gain that up too. Add the two together and get that's about the max gain. Oh, we can do the switch too. This will be the max gain position right here. A little bit of hum there, the full gain, but not too bad considering it's a single coil guitar. You can hear as I move around, it's really mostly from the guitar, not from the amp. So my circuitry came out pretty clean and good performance. I'm happy with that so far.